Hi guys, welcome to the Coin Kings YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I just wanted to do a quick video which shows you how to use the STRAKS Faucet. So basically, if you're new to cryptocurrency and you don't really want to buy it on exchanges or mine it, you just want a little bit to play around with, best thing to do is visit this faucet. All you need to do is put in your STRAKS address, solve the CAPTCHA, and then click send button, and that's it, and then you'll receive it to your account. To get a STRAKS wallet, there's a link here to a download link and link to the website so you can download wallets there, or alternatively you can sign up on any of these exchanges here and then just deposit the free amount straight onto the exchange. But I advise downloading the official wallet and then send it there, and you can have a play around with it. So all you need to do is visit this website. I'll put the link in the description below, but it's just straks.network/faucet. Once you've downloaded your STRAKS wallet, make sure you copy your STRAKS address and just paste it in there, and then solve the CAPTCHA, and then just click send me free STRAKS. And then we go, congratulations, 0.04 stack was sent to the address below. Right, so you can only do that once every 24 hours, and the IP is logged and the address is logged, so you can't just go to your mate's house and send it to the same wallet. You need to use a different wallet and a different IP, so it's pretty good. And this was made by a community member, so it's not actually by the official STRAKS team. It's purely by the community. So it's something for you to check out. Thanks for watching, guys.